Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you're still not my subscriber, please do hit the subscribe button now. So guys, we have these 9 lucky blind boxes in front of me that's been sitting with me for a very long time, and now they are ready to be free with their boxes. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. So guys, let me start first with our first Little Peach Riot Sleepover series. And in my couple of unboxing, I had some few pieces of this, which I had the Frankie Morning Coffee. I can't remember them now. I had the Gigi Prank Call. I had also the, yeah, Papillon, I guess, if I remember. So let's see which one I'm gonna get from these last pieces. I guess this will be my last piece to get these boxes from Little Peach Riot Sleepover series, because maybe I'm not a fan of it. That's why some of the boxes or the figures that I unboxed before, I traded them for the one that I'm collecting with. So yeah, I just hope I'll get a secret this time. But let's see. Let's see which one I'm gonna get, because I really wanna get the Frankie Pillow Fight. So let me open or unbox this one at the bottom part. If this one will not be my prio or not be a secret, I'm going to stop collecting this series. So let's see, guys. Our first figure for today. One, two, three. Oh, okay. We had the. I forgot the name of this lady. Let me just show you the art card first. Okay, we had the puppy breakfast. Okay, I'm just gonna commend the artist of this Pitch Riot, because they really did a good job with their art card. Very artistically done. There's some shimmery and glitters on the card. Very premium looking. I love the color combination. Very girly type. And we have some inclusions here, like the, I'm not sure if this is a bat cat, black bat cat, and some pan and eggs, or only a sunny side up egg. I guess Poppy is doing or cooking a breakfast, and she's wearing this pink oversized sweater with a blue hoodie. And where should I put this one? Okay, only on the floor. And she had this little pan of sunny side up egg. And yeah, the details of the boots has this orange. This is a strawberry fruit, and I like the ombre hair of Puppy here, from blonde to with a touch of pink, with a hair clip of heart hair clip on her hair. I like that they use eye chip with Puppy here, with some pink ear piercing. Yeah, this is actually nice. Definitely girls will love this one. And she has this little bat cat. And she's looking like this. Let me put, oops, she can't stand properly. Yeah, this is it. What can you say about puppy breakfast? I will definitely stop collecting this one from now on, because yeah, I'm not collector of Peach Riot. But if you are a collector of Peach Riot, you can comment down below. Let's proceed with our next box, which is Pinot Jelly, hard and shiny. And I've been collecting Pinot Jelly since I met this little guy, because I really like the art of Pinot Jelly, how beautiful the figure. Maybe the others are not collecting or are not a fan of Pinot Jelly, but I like how the artist creations with Pinot Jelly, especially with the hard and shiny, because I believe these are like a collaboration with the Birchstones. And in my previous vlog, I had this Mamba, which I had a duplicate. Unfortunately, I believe I had the April Bridegroom as well, and I had the July Queen, and I keep getting boxes from this collection because I wanna get November, which is my birth month, the actor. And I really want to get Nightingale of September. And the one with the crown again, May. Or even either of these secrets. So let's see. Let's see. I hope I'll get my prio or lucky enough to get a secret. Oops. If anyone here is a collector or a fan of Pino Jelly, you can comment down below. The eggs of Peach Rite keeps falling down. That's why I'll keep it that way. So yeah, this is the foil of Pino Jelly. Definitely a good one. It's like a snack of um like this a jelly like a gummy bears. So I hope it's my prio. One, two, three. Oops. Okay. Oh! Wow, my birth month, the actor. Look, guys. Look how beautiful the creation of this Pinot jelly. There's a lot of materials that they use here. Maybe they use like a PVC type, but they use a different type of PVC. Like this one, it's like a jelly type or a clear PVC, which is I really like because this one like have a dual personality. The other side is like a marble stone finish. I like the mask of Pinot Jelly on the other eye. It's gold one with a gold crown on the other side. I like the red bow at the back, the ruffles on the neck. He looks like a, maybe an actor from an opera. Definitely a very nice quality figure. Look how beautiful this one, guys. Hard and shiny. I believe this is topaz because I remember my, if not topaz, maybe this is chrysanthemum. I'm not sure about that, but so as far as I remember, my birthstone is topaz. So this is the art card, very nice one, hard and shiny. If you are a November baby, you can comment down below. Let's proceed with this Dino World. I guess this is a Crash on Coffee series, an earphone case blind box. So, yeah, they have 6 confirmed figures, which is the Salt Confession, Peppermint Heartbeat, Whispering of the Soft Clouds, Caramel Hug, Rose Love Letter, and Slightly Bitter Black Coffee. Yeah, and one secret which has a probability of 1 over 72. Okay. From this lineup, I wanna get the Peppermint Heartbeat or the Slightly Bitter Black Coffee or the Salt Confession, which is in the cover. So this will be my first time to unbox an earphone case because I'm gonna go for a travel and I want to bring something with me for my earphone case, or I can use this as a coin purse. So let's see. Definitely I this will be useful to me. So let me unbox this one at the bottom part. Okay. Oops. Oh, this one is like hmm, a very clear foil. So let's see. One, two, three. Oh, I got the. Wait, let me show. Oh, there's no art card. Why there's no art card with this one? Okay. Oh, okay. So we got a slightly bitter coffee, black coffee, but it doesn't look like a black coffee. It looks like a brown caramel sugar. Okay, so I really like the zipper holder because it looks very premium. It's gold one, looks sturdy. There's a Pop Mart branding here. Oops. Let me clean it up first for you. And this is a silicone type, guys. Very soft. And let me open this one. I guess, yeah, I can use this one as a coin purse. Ha, very nice. And I guess the earphone case is fit enough here. And this one, let me remove some dust. Okay, you just have to remove this tie and tie it back again if you're going to hang it on your bag. I like these little baby clouds here on the top. It looks like a sugar to me. I like the color of this one. Very chocolate vibe to me. Very nice. I really like there's some like chocolate drizzles on the head of Dimu. Yeah, this is actually my first time to have this earphone case and I really like it. Very nice. Wow, very cool. If you like Demo guys, you can comment down below. Let's proceed with these two boxes from Twinkle Twinkle new series, which is Twinkle Twinkle. I don't know. I forgot again the name of the series. Let me check again. So this is the Savor the Moment series figures. Okay. So as far as I remember, I unboxed one of these, like the macaroon moment, which I really like. I really like the quality of these figures, and yeah, this is like an over or maybe an underrated here in the Philippines. Someone are not collecting, or most of the Filipinos are not collecting Twinkle Twinkle. I'm not sure if I'm right. Maybe if I'm wrong, you can comment down below. Maybe there's a lot of fan of Twinkle Twinkle now here in the Philippines. But for me, I really like this one. They are really cute, very adorable figures. So I had the macaroon moment before, and I really wanna get this time. Okay. I wanna get coffee milk bath, the lucky pudding, the one with the dog which is chestnut cream, star candy looks so they're very different. So let's see. I really like this one as well. So we have heavy and light figure. Let me start with the heavy one first because I usually start with the light figure and I'm not getting my prio every time I'm doing that. Okay. Oops. Oh, some spoiler. I guess we got the one that I like. Okay, there's so much in here. Okay, oh, okay. Let me show you the art card because it drops already. I got the one that I like, which is the Star Candy. Look how beautiful the art card. And there's some note at the back. Sweet memories are stored in candy. Take a taste when you are unhappy. Unhappy from Twinkle Twinkle. Very nice thought. Okay, the figure is very small. Oh, look guys. Oh, surprisingly, they use a different type of materials with Twinkle Twinkle here. She looks like, or he looks like a hard candy here from translucent to gradient with shimmery finish. She's holding one star candy here on the top of this tray. Mentioned here Twinkle Twinkle. If you can see, there's some shimmery finish with Twinkle Twinkle. I like the outfit. Very different from the other Twinkle Twinkle that I had. Let me complete all the inclusions first and fix everything up so that we can appreciate more the total package of the figure. Very nice. How cool. There's a lot of inclusion. Okay. You have to, I'm not sure, like this? Or, okay, like this? Am I doing it right? Or fix like this? Okay, how should I fix this one? Okay, just like this. Look, guys, just like that. And there's some gradient candies, star candies. There's a lot of candies here, and you have to look. Very cool. I like this one. Very nice. It's like a shaker. Look. I like this one. Very cool. There's some candy stuck with twinkle twinkle in the head. Wow. What can you say about this one, guys? Very nice. I really like this one. Very cool figure. Star Candy from Twinkle Twinkle. You can comment down below. Let's proceed with another Twinkle Twinkle. I'm so excited with this one. It's really cute. He or she? I'm not sure if she or he is. I don't know the gender, though Pop Mart figures are genderless. So, I really want to get chestnut cream this time. Or the coffee milk bath. And the lucky pudding. This one is so light. Maybe this one is like a small figure. Okay. Okay. One, two, three. Oh, oh, okay. Who's this? Who's this? Oh, I don't know who's this. We had the Earl Teapat. Earl Teapat. Okay, let me read the thought or the notes. In Earl Teapot's quiet land, fights and worries are banned. Justice softens in hand. Wow. Let me complete the set. Is he handling? Okay. This may be like, oops, I dropped the smoke. Okay, so this is like a smoke from the teapot, which is Twinkle Twinkle, and this is the mini cup. This is so cool. Look, Earl Teapot. This one's the smoke coming out from the teapot. So this is the cup of tea with some face on here. I like the hat of Twinkle Twinkle here. Very detailed. I like the color combination. There's some stars on the top. And this is like, you know, the pants of Twinkle Twinkle here is like a vintage teapot. I actually like this one. Surprisingly, this is cute as well. So, yes. What can you say, Earl Teapot of Twinkle Twinkle, guys? You can comment down below. So, guys, let's proceed with these two boxes from Molly collaboration with Zootopia 2. And I just got two boxes because I just want to get these two on the on the cover. So let's see. Yeah, I really wanna get Judy in uniform and Nick in uniform. And also Gazelle. I wanna get Gazelle and Flash or the Secret. So let's see, guys. Let me unbox the first box. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this collection. That's why I just got two. And if I like the quality, I'm going to get more boxes from this series. Oh, they use a branding with the foil. Very nice. Okay. One, two, three. Oh, what we have here? Wait. Let me remove the art card. We got Clawhauser. Hmm. I'm not sure what type of animals is Clawhauser. Is this like a panther or a jaguar? She looks like a jaguar here. She's bringing a ano, what's this? Burger? It's like a burger. And what I like about the other finish of material here is a flat finish. Clawhauser, um, like a mascot head is a flat finish material. I like the bunny green hat on the top, and she looks like a delivery girl here. The eyes of Molly here is eye chip gray eyes. I'm not sure if I like this one, though the color combination is good enough. Yeah, what can you say about this figure, guys? You can comment down below. let's proceed with our next box of Zootopia, Molly. And we have the Clawhauser. I really wanna get either of Judy or Nick in uniform or the Flash guys. Let's see. Or Gazelle, please. Give me figure that I like. But I'm not sure if I like the series, but this will be definitely a worth collection. But let's see. This one's small. One, two, three. Okay, what we have here? Wait. Okay, we had the undercover Nick. Okay. Nick is like a fox, right? Oh, yeah. So Nick is undercover here. It can be removed. No. So the foxtail has this gradient from orange to dark. It's flat finish material, and she's wearing a pink with this uh flowery necktie, flower design necktie. Well, I like this one. This one's actually cute, and she has this hat, bucket hat with some fishes as the design. I actually like the flat finish material. It's so soft, very nice figure. They really did a good job of combining you know, a flat material and a PVC soft type matte finish. Very nice. I actually like this one. And they use a eye chip and the usual emerald eyes of Molly. Very cute. Well, I think I'll get more in the future, but let's see. But what can you say about Undercover Nick here, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, I saved the best for last, which are the Erosion Molly costume. I got another two because in my previous vlog I unboxed one only, but surprisingly, if you can see the background, I get the special version of Halloween Ink Molly, and I got so excited because I really like collecting Instinct Toy now and a collaboration from the other IPs. And yeah, I managed to get this two. So let's see if I'm able to get what I really like. This time I really like to get the blue ice Vincent Molly. I really like to get the ink Molly, this one, and the ice liquid Molly as well, and the pink one, or either of the secret. So let's see, guys. I'm so excited because yeah, this one or are so rare now. So let's see if we are able to get what we really want. Let me start with this one. I hope I'll get what I want. And by the way, guys, I got this one in a cheaper price. So let's see if we are lucky enough to, or we did a good purchase from this figure. Okay, still sealed. One, two, three. Oops. Okay. What we had? Let me show you the art card. Okay. We got Vincent Molly, the green one. Oh, but I really like the blue. And they gave me the green one. Wow. Look how beautiful this one. There's some plastic on the neck. Let me remove it first. Okay, you can rotate or tilt the head of Molly here. Wow, this is so cool. It reminds me of Godzilla. I like the intricate details of the figure, guys. Look, Instinctoy here. She looks like a dragon or a Godzilla here. I like the metallic finish of this dragon. There's some stick toy here on the other part of the legs. I'm not sure if you can move the hand as well or not. I like the claws. I like the intricate details of the teeth or the fangs of this dragon and the horns. Very nice. Wow. I should get more of these. What can you say about this one, guys? You like this as well? Please comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with our last box. So we got the Vincent Molly, which is the green one. But oh, I really like the Ice Vincent. So let's see. I hope I'll get a better one this time. Or are we lucky enough to get a secret? I actually got this one in a very cheap price, guys. So I won't complain. Oops. This one is so chunky and quite big. So let's see. Our final figure for today's vlog. One, two, three. Okay. Okay. What we have here? A white Molly. Oops. Let me there's a lot of inclusions. I guess this is like the shoes. This one is shoes. This one stink toy. I guess this is the headpiece. Another instinct toy. Another instinct. Oh, there's too much. Who we have here? Oh, Curio Molly. We got the Curio Molly, which is okay. The regular one. Let me fix it first. And Molly here has two different eyes, guys. And it's metallic. It's green and it's blue. And again, you can tilt the head of Molly, I guess. Maybe not. But you can remove or move the hands and the feet, I guess. And you have to put the headpiece here. And I don't know what is this. And where should I put this one? It should be here? Like this or here? I'm not sure. Or here, I guess. I guess. Okay. Wait, I don't know how to. How to. Okay. This one is so hard. I don't know if this one you can. Because in the picture, Molly is sitting. So I'm not sure. I don't know how to fix this one. And yeah, let me just show you. There's a lot of, some metallic finish on this figure. It's like a melted ice. And there's some, you know, reflector eyes. If it is like, if this hit with the light, it's so shimmery. Yeah, this one is so cool actually. But let me figure out how to fix this one. Because in this art card, Molly here is sitting like this. So let's see. Let's see. And if you like this one, guys, you can comment down below. So guys, this is how it looks like. So I managed to fix it because the plastic that connecting with the legs and hands of Molly, it's so tight. So you have to, you know, to give some time to move it around like this. So this is it. You just have to put the instinct toy on the other hand of Molly, and on the tail of Molly there's a mini stink toy as well that you have to put. And I believe these the shoes of Molly, but it's not wearable, I guess. You just have to display like this as per the oops as per the art card. So this is it. So what can you say about Molly again, guys? You like this one? Comment down again. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog. And from this lineup, these are my favorites. And the others are not my quite favorites, but I like them as well. But definitely, this one, two, three, four, five stand out to me. And yeah, I guess I should collect more of these in the future. And if you have other suggestions that you want me to unbox in the future, you can comment down below. And if you had fun watching my vlog, please don't forget to like and share this video as well. And if you're still not my subscriber, please do subscribe and help me reach the 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, guys, thanks again for watching. Bye!